What's up, Potato Bros, and welcome back to Learning Unity with Elite Potato. We're learning how to video game design and all that jazz. We still got some coffee. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, exactly 7:01 now. And we're going to try to finish this coffee up and finish at least one more of the tutorial things. And let's get into this. We're pretty on track. We're doing pretty good about learning stuff. Uh, Still got like 10 days till the game jam actually starts, and then we got 5 days to make it. So hoping we make it. All right, let's go to explore the possibilities tutorial. You now have the basic working knowledge of how the Unity editor works. Again, I've been up all night, so I'm a little tired and a little stumbly wumbly, if you know what I mean. But there's so much more to explore. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to really polish and experience and achieve the look and feel you want. Seems cool. A new game object has appeared in the scene, and there's a star inside it. In order to reach this star, you have to create an animated elevator. Ooh, that's cool. In the project window, you'll open Assets Prefab folder. So, prefab. Drag the moving platform prefab into the scene and position it at the edge of the ground. Bam. Alright. Note if it doesn't matter if the platform intersects with the ground game object. Enter play mode and use platform to collect the star. Did it mean like move it like over here like this? Probably. See if that lines up decently. Oh no, maybe that. Never mind, they did mean that, I think. Perspective's a little wonky. Alright, we're good. So now we just select our robot character and we dive on in and collect that star. Is the elevator going to be going up and down? Or it probably activates. Oop. Hopping on the elevator. Oop. Oh, I fucked up. We gotta do that again. My elevator's also a little wonky. It's got a sound effect to it. I wonder if we can add a different sound effect in the future. Alright, so there's a bit of a gap there. But we did it. We got the star. And we can go back down. Alright, cool. We did it. Next. You probably already noticed the shadows and reflections that come from the simulated sun controlled by the directional light game object. Unity has many tools for simulating light and lighting effects. You can now access the secret room, but it's quite dark inside. Let's add some lights to make the star stand out more. Instructions. In the project window, open Assets Prefabs folder, which we're already at. Click and drag the wall light left and wall light right prefabs onto the left and right walls of the secret area, respectively. and then enter play mode and have the robot enter secret room and see how the new lights alter the space. Alright. Wall light left. Bam. And wall light right. Bam. Very nice. Let me find my little robot guy. We're doing it, guys. We're learning. Hopefully there's some cool assets we can use or we're able to build for the game jam. And hopefully we can theme it decently enough. I'm decently smart. I think I can figure it out. Alright, we did it. Looks nice. Very well lit. It's lit, yo. Audio. Audio adds so much richness to the game experience. I was just talking about that earlier. No doubt you have noticed that the robot makes audible footsteps when it moves. The robot also has an audio listener attached to it, which works like ears. Audio listener makes it possible to experience spatial audio, like the elevator, where sounds come from particular sources in the scene. To really add a distinct feel to the scene, let's add some background sound. Instructions. In the project window, open the Assets Audio folder. So Assets, Audio. Click and drag any of the audio assets into the hierarchy window. Enter play mode and listen to the audio you just added. Note, if you don't like the audio, you can delete it from the hierarchy window by right-clicking it and selecting delete. Then drag a different audio. We'll try ethereal. Alright, we're good. That didn't seem right. Let's try it again. There we go. So, yeah. That's that. Pretty decent music. I wonder what Timmy Robot is as opposed to Robot. So you got the background music we added, the lights that we added here. Got the moving platform, which is like the elevator thing. Cube, I think that's what we used to make this over here. We morphed it. Robot camera is what we use, and it's attached to the skeleton of the player model, which is, and then it also has a command thing. It looks like here to follow the player camera. Player follow camera. And then we've got a bunch of drop downs for the robot. Player camera root, geometry, which I'm guessing is probably the shape of it. Timmy Robot, root, Timmy Robot. This is the tutorial. Uh, I'm guessing kind of a thing we got going on. We got the boxes in the ground and the directional light, which is what's casting the shadows, which is what they're talking about. Just kind of taking in kind of some extra information there. Anyways, okay, we did it. Next thing, visual effects. Visual effects, VFX, are simulated motion effects added to enhance the scene, ranging from a subtle splash of water to massive fiery explosion. Unity has tools to create visual effects and particles that can simulate fire, gas, rain, snow, and many other phenomena. We've prepared some ready-to-use visual effects for your scene. Add them to your scene for dramatic effect. Instructions in the project window. Open Assets and VFX folder. Click and drag any of the VFX assets onto the ground in the scene. In the Inspector window, change the position coordinates as follows: 0, 0, 0. Enter play mode and check out the visual effects you just added. You would not believe your eyes. A certain amount of fireflies. 0, 0, 0. And then click on our robot and hop on in. Look at the fireflies. So I'm guessing 0, 0, 0 is like either attached to my robot. Probably not, because the fireflies would probably be moving around. It's probably attached to like the center of this platform. Oh, so I just noticed when you jump, it does a one-shot audio pops up in the hierarchy bar. And the same thing when I take footsteps. Very cool. Okay. So, if I move this around, the position also changes over here. Ooh. We can move it anywhere we want. So if we wanted to, we could even move it up on one of these platforms and start right there. But we'll keep them in the middle. Okay, we did it. User interface. A user interface, UI, is a great tool for players. User interfaces can display all kinds of information and allow players to interact with your game through buttons, menus, inventories, heads-up display, overlays, and more. There are a total of 5 stars in the scene. Let's add a simple UI that will allow you to see how many you've collected and how many remain. Instructions in the project window, open Assets, UI folder. Okay, boom. Click and drag the remaining collectibles UI asset into your hierarchy window. Okie dokie. Note, you won't notice anything change in the scene view. Interplay mode and check out UI just added. Be cool if Jacksepticeye actually played our game. If it's cool. If it's not cool, maybe not, but we gotta get these stars, man. Just fiending for some stars. Dancing with the stars. Shitting on some cars. Meet a man named Jafar. Wait for me, Mr. Platform. Ooh. One more collectible you see there at the top. And 0. We did it. Very nice. Very simple UI, but we did it. We got 2 more tutorials to go through here. Reach the final star. In this final challenge, you'll combine all the skills you've learned so far to help the robot reach the final star. Instructions. Select add button in the upper left corner of the hierarchy window, then select 3D object cube. Scale tool, turn the cube into a platform the robot can stand on. Talking to get this star over here. Alright. Scaling time. Make it longer. Make it a bit wider. And then we need the tilty tool. Tilt it up a bit. Move it up a bit. Move it to the side. Get a bit more accustomed to the stuff. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's good enough. Alright. Add material to the cube. Game object. Assets materials. Wait, is this... Are we talking about up here? Oh, okay, we're looking for a skin, pretty much. In the hierarchy window, right-click the cube, game object, and select duplicate. Hold up. So we'll add a candy material to this real quick. It's gonna load in real quick. Getting a little piss feeling coming on to me. A little piss boy, if you know what I mean. Ooh, nice. We got a candy texture. The texture is kind of... If I were to be making a game, I'd probably adjust that a bit because the texture is coming up at that cyan under the star. But it's pretty decent. Alright, so in the hierarchy window, right-click the cube 1. Wait, which one is it? Game object. Cube 1. Just plain out? Cube 1, okay. Wait, say which one? Left click, right click? Right click. Oops. and select duplicate or press Control D. Try the Control D real quick. Or not. We'll do duplicate. Okay, I gotta do piss break real quick. Sorry. We'll be back.
Josh is in the zone, can't let go. Gaming's his life, but he needs a flow. Controller in one hand, but his bladder's aggro. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta. Josh tries to multitask, but fails so hard. Taps the controller, then it heads for the bathroom hard. Games are on pause, he can't ignore. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta. Tried to drink less, still felt the urge. Paused the game, took a quick surge. Back to the screen, but the call was true. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo, gotta. Josh is back, but the game's on hold. Bladder won, but he's not bold. Ready to play again, but the break, it's bold. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta. Josh is in the zone, can't let go. Gaming's his life, but he needs a flow. Controller in one hand, but his bladder's aggro. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo, gotta. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Josh tries to multitask, but fails so hard. Taps the controller, then heads for the bathroom hard. Games are on pause, he can't ignore. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo, gotta. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Piss break, yeah, gotta hit the loo. Can't play when you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go.
Piss break. Yeah, I gotta hit the loo. Alright, so it did end up duplicating, I saw here. It was just cube 1 not duplicated. To cube 2 also, which I don't really see it right now. Did it spawn in somewhere? No? We'll see. Select the new created duplicate object and use the move tool to position it up towards the star. I see it was under it. Repeat steps 4 and 5 until you think you've created a set of stairs robot can use to reach the star. We're kind of already, made something that can do that. I wasn't expecting all this to happen, but I guess we're having to make some stairs. Note, you may need to experiment to get position of these platforms just right. Game designers iterate many times on their designs. They change things, then test, then change more, then test more. This process is called level design, a fundamental part of the game development. So I'm not going to really worry about this too much. My thoughts are, I pretty much get the gist of it, The one thing I am wondering a bit is if you could possibly make it so that he automatically takes a step up, So if the step up isn't that big, if he can automatically do a step up on it, So if we're wanting to make stairs, just keep layering it like this is the gist of what I understand. But we're only going to do 2 because that just seems like a bit of a waste of time because I pretty much 100% get what's going on, If I was developing a game and I needed to make some stairs, I know how to do it. Alright, that should be good. Now, we're going to move around. Click on our buddy over here and we're going to collect that star. Yay, we see if we automatically step this step. Yes, we do. Alright, cool. We still got that UI, user interface, to show us how many stars we've got collected. Alright, we're gonna Control S to save. And we're gonna go next. Continue to the next tutorial. Congratulations, you just completed your first game in Unity. We did it, guys. We technically made our first game. Everybody clap. In the next tutorial, you'll learn how to upload your project to Unity Play so that you can experience it in a web browser. You can easily share a link to your creation with friends, family, and the wider Unity community. Unity community! We're part of the Unity community, guys. Very nice. We're gonna save sharing your game and future learning for next time, because it's getting to the time where people are probably gonna start waking up. So we don't have the asterisks there, so it's not, we have everything saved, so we don't have to worry about that. We can close out and then load back in next time. So we've learned pretty much everything there is to learn right now from this. And yeah, I'll see you next time, Potato Bros. Bye.
A pug
dark with a potato heart, gaming through worlds where the shadows start, creeping and crawling where puzzles dart. Who's the hero? It's me, that's the part. Elite Potato, let's go, let's go. Spud with a mission, stealing the show. From horror chills to puzzles that glow. Elite Potato, you already know. Jump scares, beware, I'm still right here. The pug that fears nothing, not even fear. Indie dreams and haunted streams, I'm the potato king of eerie scenes. Elite Potato, let's go, let's go. Spud with a mission, stealing the show. From horror chills to puzzles that glow. Elite Potato, you already know. Potato paws on the keyboard. Pug life's what I'm here for. Atmospheric worlds to explore. Every click unlocks a lore. Elite Potato, let's go.